Okay, hey guys. So from today onwards, I'm planning to document my coding journey on this DSA. So yeah, I found this question and it's kind of interesting. So let's see what we can do. So yeah, so the question is best time to buy and sell a stock. So, okay, we are given an array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock in the I day. So it's basically a list of prices. And okay, so until we buy, we cannot sell. So, okay, and we have to return the maximum profit that we can achieve from this transaction. And if we cannot achieve any profit, then we should be returning as 0. Constraints is 10 power 5. Okay, so first I want to test it on a local compiler. So if name equals to main, okay, so first let's call the class and print of as dot max profit, and let's say we are passing one of these. Okay, let's pass this. See, I messed up kind of. Okay, this, and if I remove this, okay, I think this is good. Okay. So what is my coding approach over here is, okay, first I'll just be defining a result to 0, or let's say the answer to 0. And first we should be getting the minimum value from here, right? So if we can get the minimum value from here, and if we iterate over this list, of course we'll be getting the maximum profit, right? So minimum value equals to, let's say it can be the prices, since prices is the list, and let's say we start from the starting index. So yeah, that's that for I in prices. Sorry. So first let's the profit. Profit is I minus the minimum value. So all right, and we check if my profit is greater than the result, then my result is profit. Likewise, if my I is less than the minimum value, then we can say our minimum value that we just defined is I. And yeah, that's it. And if we return result, then it should basically give, okay, so if we see here 7, then 7 minus 1, it cannot be done. So minimum value over here is 1. So if I iterate, and it cannot be something like, it cannot go backwards to 7 from 1 onwards to 7. So yeah, so we are just moving forward, and we are just taking from here onwards only, right? So if I do 1 minus 5, 5 minus 1, it will be 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 1, that is 5. So yeah, 6 minus 1 should be the answer. That is 5 should be the answer. Let's see what happens. So, okay, it looks good. If I copy and paste it over here, and first run the test cases. Okay, it's getting accepted. Now if I submit this, let's see. Okay, which is good. Also, if we are asked what the time and space complexity of this is, then since we have only one for loop, and yeah, there's nothing much over here. So it's basically big O of n and big O of n respectively, right? So yeah, that's it.